Hey y'all, it's currently 1:45 in the morning, and yes, I do have to be up in like 4 hours, so I'm just probably not about to go to sleep. But I did want to make some flaxseed gel because I did revert my hair back to curly, and it was a last minute decision because I'm indecisive and I did not do my aloe vera treatment. So I have been seeing a lot about flaxseed gel and I want to give that a try, so I'm just gonna get into it. So I'm going to be using whole flax seeds, water, and a mason jar, and some stocking caps, or stockings, whatever you want to call them. And I do have half a cup of the whole flax seeds, and I have 3 cups of water. Before I get started, I'm just to get some tea that I made. And I love this little holder, it's so cute and convenient. And then I just slide it back into the fridge. I can leave this in the fridge if I want, but I just feel like taking it out because I'm extra right now. Yes, it's black tea. Okay, so first things first, you're gonna add your water into the pot. And then you're gonna add your flax seeds. And then you're just basically gonna bring it to a boil. While I'm waiting for that to boil, I'm just gonna pack my lunch for today since I didn't do that yesterday. And I'm in here anyways, and I'm also wash the dishes because yeah, so. I started with my little scrub baby and I sprayed it over on washing machine and put they all stacked with the power wash in them just to make washing easier. Because I keep a lot of stuff. And I wash most of it and let it dry and finish. So quick little update. They just, as you can see the steam now, and I'm getting a little bit of bubbles, so I'm gonna stir it a little bit to make sure none of them are sticking to the bottom. And then I'm about to go back to washing dishes while it continues to try to boil. Okay, we've got some boilage. It's definitely thickening up for sure, but I do want to let it get a bit thicker before I just take it out and strain it. Yeah, definitely want it a little bit thicker, so probably a couple more minutes boiling. And then I'm gonna strain it. Okay, I think it's good now. So I'm gonna take it off and strain it. Ooh, yeah, definitely good now. Okay, attempt number 1 of trying to put this in here without dying. I'm scared. Okay, it's coming out. Oh shit. Okay, coming out, it's coming out. And that is just my ice maker. So do not be terrified. Okay, I got it all in there without dying. So now I'm gonna strain it. And this shit looks hot as fuck. I should let it cool down for a second. I don't know. But I am about to go put on gloves just because I am washing dishes and I want to have to try to glove that stuff off after I finish this to finish washing the dishes. Oh my god, so like side note, whenever I put on gloves, and I remember I told this to my forensics teacher in high school because I think we were doing like something like fake investigative work or whatever. And I was like, you know, whenever I put on gloves, I just think of that like scene from that movie and the guy was like, all right, about to go in your booty. And she just looked at me crazy. And I was like, intrusive thoughts shouldn't be spoken, I feel like, sometimes. But I'm still say mine anyway, because I don't care. Okay, oh my god, that is a lot. This is a lot. I definitely think I should let it cool off for a second, because this is like piping hot. You can see like it's already like pretty like halfway filled up with the flaxseed gel. This shit is hot. I'm gonna let her cool off first so I can't, and then I'm gonna come back because like this is really hot and I'm not trying to die. It is still cooling down, but my intrusive thoughts tell me to poke it, so I want to just to see. And yeah, that is definitely like very gooey. I can just tell it's gonna feel so good on my scalp and my hair. So yeah, I'm excited to use it. But yeah, back to cooling off because it's still very hot. Well, let me see. Yeah, it's still hot. I'll turn back. Took the gloves off because I wanted some tea while I wait. Oh yeah, this is my ugly Christmas sweater, by the way. It says toss the nizzle before Christmas and all throughout the hizzle. And I got it from Amazon. Okay, I'm back. It's finally cooled off enough so I can touch it. So I'm about to wring it out. Oh, Jesus. Oh, I'm gonna try wrapping it because it's still a little bit hot at the bottom. Spread. But at least I know it has amazing slippage. Okay. I actually might have juiced itself out complete. I think it might have juiced itself out. But hey, that works out even better. Oh, that was work for me to do. Yeah, I think it juiced itself. But just to be sure, because I did double this, so I'm gonna go in and get the first one out. The one that is actually like sitting in, and make sure that I actually got all of it out. Because I don't want to waste any. Get my Skittles. Okay. I feel like that girl who does henna, she like makes her own henna cones. And that's like my favorite part of hers to watch. Like, got a little something going on. At least now you can actually like see the seeds. Whoa. Okay. Yep, it juices itself. So yeah. The seeds are there, but all the juice is out. Just make sure I don't bust it. This is like fun to touch though. It's like slime, but hot slime because it's like still very warm. But yeah. So this is what 3 cups of water and a half cup of flax seeds got me. And I'm gonna dip our hand in there. Super duper slimy. And I will make a video of me using it on my hair. But yeah, that's all for now. This is how you make Flaxseed Gel. And for those who wanted to know what I was packing for my lunch, so in my Starbucks cup is cran raspberry juice. This is one of my refillable apple juices from Everfresh. This is like a new like collagen powder thing I found at Walmart. And you just pour it into your water. Then I got 2 regular waters. And then my actual lunch, I made cornbread, green beans, macaroni and cheese, chicken, and white rice. So that's my lunch, and I have like a billion snacks that's also going in my snack bag. So yeah, I'll see you next time.